This was put out by all the folks, from the White House. Donald J. Trump, the beekeeper. Restore order, protect the nation. You have a picture also that they released of him with the bee on the palm of his hand. I'm going to share some information about all of this in a moment, but just a quick rundown before we get to the details. David Barbello, to expose the corruption, protect the hive. During King Charles's visit, Trump calmly let a bee rest on his hand, showing that new White House-shaped beehive. The beekeeper steps in when the queen and hive are corrupted, removing parasites to restore order. Patriots see Trump as that beekeeper. The protector who intervenes at the top of the political hierarchy, purges the corrupt elite, and heals the failing colony. Peaceful landing, divine sign. The guardian is in control, the real sting is coming, and the hive is being restored. The bee doesn't sting the true leader. Let's go a step further. Beekeeper, former operative of powerful organization. There's actually a movie with Jason Statham in it showing all this. Just a quick little...
Beekeeper? Well, that's not good.
It's a special program outside the chain of command.
I protect the hive. When the system is out of balance, I correct it.
We have laws for these things.
Until they fail, then you have me.
Pretty interesting movie. I'm going to show you more on the beekeeper in a moment, but another thing that seems to be going on recently? Il Donato Trump said, remember the Godfather scene where he goes after everyone at the same time? The iconic baptism scene from The Godfather, Michael Corleone, becomes the new Don, or as his men take out every rival boss at once, all intercut with him renouncing Satan in a church. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to get into the beekeeper information in a second, a little deeper, but seems like The Godfather 3 is playing out.
Okay.